Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, before we get started, I just wanted to apologize for not getting a weird Wednesday video up this week. I was out of town visiting family. Now, we'll get started here. This is a 1957 Porsche Speedster Replica, listed for $48,950 US in Kingman, Arizona. It's been driven 7,436 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, perfect Porsche replica, paint 10 out of 10, interior 10 out of 10, runs perfect with recent service and new tires, car needs nothing, 1800 engine with progressive carb, titled as a 1957 Porsche, clear title in my name. Up next we have this 1966 Batmobile replica kit car project, listed for $28,500 US in Corona, California. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, replica of the 1966 Batmobile. I believe it is a Don Curry body kit. The body is mostly complete, but it's currently a static display car in front of a movie theater, sitting on a 1960s, 1970s Cadillac frame. Huge upside for someone wanting to finish the project. Okay, this is the first of a couple of Ferraris today, a 1985 Ferrari 308, listed for $24,500 US in Staten Island, New York. It's been driven 54,800 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, GTB 308 replica Pontiac Fiero, 2.5 performance engine that runs very smooth with no oil leaks. The manual transmission shifts smooth and perfect. Interior is in great shape. New clutch and new brakes. Asking $24,500. A good offer won't be refused. Alright, we're going to come north of the border for a moment here. A 1933 Factory 5 Ford, listed for $79,900 Canadian in Calgary, Alberta. It's been driven 3,400 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, car can be transformed into a roadster by removing the roof and installing the roadster windshield and roll bar. Safety equipped with front and rear chrome bumpers, signals, side markers, brake lights, third taillight, horn, windshield wipers, and seat belts. Engine is an EFI 347 stroker, 415 horsepower, manual 5-speed Tremec, 8.8-inch differential, 4-corner Willwood disc brakes, vintage air conditioning, power windows, electric power steering, over $80,000 in receipts, not including labor. And here we have a 1963 Chevrolet Corvette with Grand Sport body kit, listed for $42,000 US in Hopewell, Virginia. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, rare Grand Sport replica 1963 Corvette convertible, needs gas tank but can show you it runs on a temporary tank. Alright, this one may just make the Weird Wednesday video this week. A 2004 Suzuki Every Wagon VW body kit, listed for $21,995 Canadian in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. It's been driven 76,433 kilometers, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. There is no seller's description other than a phone number. Okay, here we have a 1930 Ford Model A, listed for $25,000 US in Vista, California. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1930 Ford Model A Coupe has a 351 C6 trans, 9-inch, front disc brakes, chop top, custom interior, aluminum radiator, QA1 coilovers, multiple sets of weld wheels. This is a driver, not a trailered car, so it has spots. Alright, I did say there was other Ferraris in today's video. This is a 1999 Ferrari F355, listed for $27,990 US in Crestview, Florida. It's been driven 45,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, dimensionally proportionate to the real thing, all the molds are taken from the actual real car. 1 of 40, this is number 1. Real Ferrari wheels, real Ferrari glass, front grille, front hood, and muffler. The engine is a 3.8 supercharged V6, $27,999 US, or best offer. Alright, here we have a second 1956 Porsche Speedster replica, listed for $33,900 US in Baldwin, Missouri. It's been driven 5,141 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1.6 flat 4-cylinder air-cooled engine, 4-speed manual transmission, dual mirrors, louvered deck lid, body-colored bumpers, vintage gauges, and fog lights. And one more Ferrari to bring up the rear. A Ferrari F40 kit car, listed for $35,000 US in Chula Vista, California. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, Ferrari F40 kit car built off a Pontiac Fiero V6 with auto, has current California registration. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.